It's almost, I can't tell anymore. What about it.
Now what? Hmm? She's trying so hard to get him, Brooke. She wants him.
Oh.
You're mean, Grandma. You better believe I'm telling her this story. She's
Oh, wait.
making do.
Oh.
You're so rude.
I want to see her. I want to see her look for him. What you gonna do, huh? You be a little problem solver? How do I get those down? She sees the camera.
My sneeze is going to be on the video. I'm trying not to sneeze.
Look at her, Brooke.
Oh, dang it. I was thinking that would help her lean.
She's like, this one's easier.
She's pushing with her feet now to get up taller. Look at her push with her foot over there. She's pushing with her right foot to get up there taller.
If she reaches it, you gotta reward her by putting it down, Mom.
Oh, now she cries.